What's up? It's Tyler with Skinch Outdoors. Kind of wanted to preface this video just with a little introduction, and wanted to say a couple things. First off, this particular video is just GoPro footage of Hunter and I walking up closer to Cumberland Falls to get a good composition for a good picture. The other thing I wanted to say, which is way more important, was how dangerous this was. We were walking on an entire driftwood bed, and so with every step you could just fall right through. There were lots of rusty nails, and we found some metal. We saw like a bedpost while we were down there. So if you do things like this, or you go to do this specific thing, please just be very careful. Make sure that you have all the right equipment, and even though it's so close to a trail and you could probably yell and somebody would hear you if anything were to happen, take things like a water filter and a flashlight and the typical things that you would need if you're going to go hiking. I'm always like a big proponent of taking a little bit more than you may need, just because it's better to need it and not have it than have it and not need it. Yeah, that made no sense. Okay. Anyways, it's just good to have stuff, and I don't know, just be careful. Don't do this alone. I don't even like hiking alone. I usually tell people when they hike alone that they're crazy. Just because anything can happen. So just kind of want to throw that out there too. But otherwise, this is just a video, again, GoPro footage just on my head of us getting up closer to Cumberland Falls. The pictures that I took, I will post those. I will put those up on the screen as I take them, and I'll pop back up if there's anything else that needs some context or something like that. But past that, I appreciate you watching, and thanks for checking out my channel. And yeah, be sure to subscribe if you don't mind, and hit the bell, and you'll get regular video updates from me. So with that, I'll let the video play. Appreciate it. Be careful.
All right, so from this point forward, if anybody asks, we came from down there. Be careful on this shit. Be careful. That's perfect. All right, let's do this before. Yeah. Hey, unzip it and just get it out.
if you were sitting up there and you got the waterfall in the background of you.
That'd be sick. No, you're good. I'm just thinking the best place to take this picture.
Right here. Seems like
That's pretty nice.
What's up? Different colored shirt. So right here we decided to try to go down and get like a little bit closer to the river to get a better shot, but we ended up kind of stopping, and we found this. So.
Hey, there's a board right there with nails. I think you maybe could, if you went, don't come up here. I think if we go, yeah, right there, should be all right. Yeah, that's sketchy as fuck. And that shit could be all over down here, so be fucking careful. How's that looking?
we can do it. It'll be kind of slippery, but we're gonna be all right.
I think that's not very slick rock. I don't know, this is kind of looking a little slim.
You can get a nice picture of it. You can look down the mountain.